देखो सलार ऐसी मूवी है, वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम मूवी है, एंड वी शुड सपोर्ट देम एज एन इंडियन सिनेमा लवर, एंड ये इट विल मेक अप इंडिया प्राउड इन आवर वर्ल्ड स्टेज, एंड ये ऑस्कर में जाना वाला है। ऐसी पिक्चर है, इसकी जो स्केल जो बनाई है, कास्टिंग जो बनाई है, इट्स वेरी ह्यूज।
For the look test in Hyderabad, I was actually shooting one of my directorials in Hyderabad at that time. So after shoot, late night, 9:30, 10, I went to his office and I tried on my outfit and the look, and we took a couple of stills. And that's the first time he gave me an in-person narration of what was then the final draft. And he went downstairs to set up the photo shoot, and I was having my dinner. So I suddenly realized on the wall there was a huge book. Do you remember this? On the wall there was a huge board, and he had written down each character of Khansar, the history of Khansar, how the political so-called consulate of Khansar is set up, what is the relationship between each tribe and Khansar. And it's like this huge board filled with diagrams and names and arrows and connections. And I'm sitting there thinking like, oh my God, like to make this much of a story, how much has this man thought from the history of Khansar? It is out and out drama. And the greatest thing is, the natural dramatic progression of the plot has so much space for action and goosebumps and hero elevation.
आपको लास्ट के 15 मिनट में भी पता नहीं चलेगा क्या सस्पेंस है, क्या देख रहे हो आप। और जो कास्टिंग जो की है, सब कैरेक्टर माइन्यूटली उन्होंने चूज किया है। आर्ट डायरेक्टर बोलो, बीजीएम बोलो, साउंड बोलो, डायरेक्शन बोलो, कास्टिंग, कॉस्ट्यूम, डिजाइन, it's original, sir. It's not fake, it's not copied.
Prashant has this wonderful ability where he'll shoot a scene with 4 cameras, and after rolling one take, he immediately knows the edit already in his mind, because I think he's also an editor, so he immediately knows the edit in his mind, and he'll immediately know, okay, I've got that part of the shot, that part of the dialogue in the wide, and I'm then going to cut into this, and then I'll cut this, and I'll cut back to this mid, and I'll finish off in this wide. He immediately knows that. For the first 4 days, all the conversation I used to have was, are you on a LUT? I don't know if you know what are you on a LUT? What filters are you using? So then I realized he does not have a LUT preloaded in his camera. He does not believe in using filters. All the contrast ratios, the tones and everything he attains through lighting and the exposure setting. And I was so surprised that the look and feel of Salar and even KGF is not a post job. No. It is not a DI
That's
job.
That's what I said. You see it on the monitor and you can see
exactly.
the
It is not a DI job.
But it's also the syncopation and the synergy between art direction, cinematography, where they all kind of came from the same template of what they're so in synergy.
Yeah, that's such a faculty to have. You know? That's such a faculty to have, and that is also because I think Bhuvan and Prashant are so in sync. Bhuvan exactly knows when you're doing the scene, this is what Prashant is looking for.
I think that's the bromance your story is supposed to be.
Yeah, we are basically Prashant. Devan Varda is basically Prashant Neal and Bhuvan Gowda.
एंड जो आप देखोगे इसकी मेकिंग, जो स्केल में जो बनाई है, ये ऑस्कर जाना चाहिए एट 2023, ओके, रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया, ओके, एंड यू विल बी प्राउड। एंड एक बोलना चाहता हूँ कि डंकी के जो स्क्रीन्स मुंबई में जो एग्जिबिटर्स कर रहे हैं वो गलत कर रहे हैं। प्लीज सपोर्ट सलार, एंड दिस शुड बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया, नॉट बॉलीवुड, टॉलीवुड, एनीवन। दिस शुड बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया, ओके, इन वर्ल्ड स्टेज। आप सोच सकते हो वो क्या स्केल में बनाया है।
It's not just the scale, it was an energy. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It was just something different to what I've not experienced before.
And also one thing that for me was a pleasant surprise on the sets of Salar is that Prashant's films, when they release, the conversation, rightfully so, is about the scale, the action, the aesthetics, the styling, the look and everything. But when you're on set, you realize Prashant's direction is entirely about the actors.
Yes.
He doesn't care about anything else.
It's a matter of great pride to be working with him, because after a long time I've worked with a director who I can say is a complete director. For example, it's not his main actors who are in front of the camera. It's like Frank Capra. Frank Capra में खूबियत ये थी कि crowd scene में he used to do each and every one behind, because they made up the scene. It's not the actors. It's how realistic they are behaving. यहाँ पे तो लोग कहते हैं हाँ crowd चलो, सब भेड़ चाल चल रहे थे, एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं हैं। ये मैंने प्रशांत से सीखा। मैं देखता था what he wants from them, he gets. That's only because he's explaining it to them so openly.
For him, it's all about the actors. It's about getting the close-ups right. It's about making the actors feel comfortable, which is a lesson for all filmmakers and also for actors. That ultimately you can have the biggest of sets. You can be making a 500 crore film, but the story will always have to be told through the characters, which then means through the actors. So you have to get the acting bit of your film right.
100 sir, 100, and everyone should watch. It's a A-rated, but फैमिली के साथ देखो, आपको पता चलेगा, आप प्राउड फील करोगे इमोशन से, और जो देख रहे हो आप रियलाइज करोगे वो सही किया है पिक्चर में.
So your film Salar getting an A certification. So how do you feel about it?
The intention was never to make a movie as so violent that it is going to get an A certification. I have seen Telugu cinema last 25-30 years. I've seen it. Sometimes I thought my action is pale in comparison to the action that is something that I've seen. But they drew out a new guidelines recently, and the censor officer also told me this is what it is, and the cuts that they were asking for, if they were
they have to come to you by A, or
they asked for a lot of cuts. I was okay to do all of those cuts, but there were a couple of cuts which I did not want to remove because it was not going to satisfy the story of the movie, the drama of the movie. And I was very disappointed. I almost sat very quietly because I know that I have not made a vulgar movie or a movie which is insensible with violence. It is all necessary violence that I have put into Salar, more than I have put into KGF. I thought this movie requires it because this movie is about friendship, it is about sacrifice, it is about one character who does not involve himself with anything that is happening with the world. He doesn't seem very interested. But when the world pulls him to do something like that, it was a disappointment for me to begin with. I called up Prabhas sir also and I told him, and his response was very quick. He said, "Teeskunandi." He said, "Take it," because I think this movie is something that deserves that, and probably the guidelines are right. Probably I will think about taking my children to something like that, but the intention is not that.
Not to make a violent movie, it is about to make a dramatic film in a violent world.
Yes.
That's it. Not to exploit the violence or not to...
Not at all. Not just for the commerciality of violence. It's not designed for the violence. It's designed for the emotion and the drama. I never put in one shot also just because I wanted to make Rebel Star Prabhas look like the Rebel Star Prabhas of the old. They'd seen him with blood on his face. It was never designed for something like that.
Hats off to the producer Umbale Films and director who has done it so beautifully, and the action sequence. Absolutely mind-blowing. The next level.
എനിക്ക് സലാറിലെ ഫൈറ്റ് സീക്വൻസ് ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. അതിനകത്ത് ഇൻഡെപ്തിൽ ഇപ്പം ഫൈറ്റ് സീക്വൻസ് എടുത്ത് നോക്കിയാൽ അതിന് ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഐഡിയാസും അതിനൊരു പക്ക ഒരു കൊറിയോഗ്രാഫി തന്നെ. എല്ലാ ഫൈറ്റിനും ഒരു പ്രത്യേകതയുണ്ട്, ചുമ്മാ ഏറി പറപ്പിക്കലല്ല, അതിനെല്ലാത്തിനും ഒരു റീസൺ ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പം എനിക്കത് ഭയങ്കര രസമായിട്ട് തോന്നിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Salar will be compared to a lot of things, but I feel you'll have a lot of Mahabharata in it in present times. ये तो 1000 साल पहले की शुरू होती है कहानी, when the bandits ruled the earth and their progression down the line. And what happened to this village? It turned into a fortress for the bandits. That's the art of storytelling. And how you mix, like in Shahenshah, I mixed Superman. Here, how Prashant is aware of the Mahabharata. He knows it by heart. And how he infuses those characters and mixes them into his own. That is the great art of storytelling. And Salar, I promise you, is going to be a story to be told.
You will be very proud. Salar is there in India representing Oscar.
One of the complaints that I have about the movie is like you were saying that we are not going to have any duets. Like duets. You disappointed me. But I mean, jokes apart, like people will be expecting something when Prabhas and Shruti are there. They will be expecting, whether it's a romantic duet or a dance duet, dance number, or whatever, some kind of chemistry song that is happening between them. So
We initially thought of putting something like that, a duet with this guy. We were sucked into the drama so much that we never used Shruti for a glamour quotient. Okay. She's part of the story and a very strong character in the story. And I think the world has sort of changed the last few years. People are more exposed to international content. They are accepting just pure drama if the drama is done right. And we decided to go against something like that. Though, we put in a lot of money into this and commerciality is very important. We thought, let's make the drama itself the commercial aspect of this movie.
India should always support a good film and support करना चाहिए world stage पे. And we should be proud of original script and story. कितने मेहनत लगी है प्रशांत नील ने, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो. उसने हार्ट, ब्लड, स्वेट सब कुछ डाला है वो पिक्चर में. आप देखोगे उसकी मेकिंग, आपको समझ में आएगा कि कितना टफ है डंकी की मेकिंग से. सो आप प्लीज़ सपोर्ट कीजिएगा, अच्छे फिल्म को कीजिएगा. मैं जनता से वही रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ.
Drama has always worked. We have seen the biggest movie in India has worked because of the drama.
Yes, of course.
Beyond
drama.
everything else.
I mean, see, like you said, you were saying that the world has changed, but I would rather put it in a better perspective. I think we have changed. The world has always been accepting films for what they are. They didn't need to have extra quotients. We were not brave enough or confident enough of our own product, so that we were adding additional things. Throughout history, if we look, we will find films which came out just on pure drama and did exceptionally well. So we didn't have the confidence to go forward. You had now.
देखो, डंकी ने डर के मारे एक दिन पहले रिलीज़ किया है. आप देख सकते हो कि उनको शेयर से मतलब है. उनको बॉक्स ऑफिस शेयर शाहरुख खान के नाम की वजह से जो कमाया है उनको सेव करना है. लेकिन अब मैं बोलता हूँ डंकी के चोट पे कि आज से लेकर क्रिसमस तक डंकी के जो भी क्राउड है यहाँ पर सलार देखने आएंगे और वहाँ पर एम्प्टी होगा हाउस. और वो जो स्क्रीन पूरा सलार होने वाला है. आपको मैं लिख के देता हूँ.
Before listening to the story of Salar, I never thought it would be a film like this. I never thought it's a film about two friends and the bond and the dynamics between them. I had a completely different idea about what Prashant Neel might be making with Prabhas. Because on top of all the spectacular action and the big set pieces and the humongous, set design and everything, I think it's a drama. I keep comparing Salar. I keep telling Prabhas this is like Game of Thrones. I keep comparing Salar to Game of Thrones because it's a very intense drama with very intricate character dynamics. That surprised me.
पैन इंडिया 4 लैंग्वेजेस. अभी इंग्लिश में भी शायद से डब होने वाले फॉर यूएस वाले लोग के लिए. तो इट्स हैट्स ऑफ टू प्रशांत नील्स सोच एंड हिज विजन. एंड सेकंड पार्ट जो आने वाला है इससे 100 गुना होने वाला है.
एक टाइम था इंडियन सिनेमा में ये होता ही नहीं था. नॉट इज पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3, पार्ट 2. Besides obviously your film, which second installment as an audience are you excited for?
As an audience, I mean, I'm curious. I'm definitely curious about Salar because I think the story only started. Hero, and also I really like the idea of histories, and now there's somebody from that house who has to come back. So it feels like that kind of story. So I'm curious for sure. Yeah.
It's a storytelling technique. कहानी अगर आपकी अच्छी है, महाभारत अगर अच्छी है, तो आप बार बार उसको पढ़ेंगे, बार बार आप उसको सुनेंगे.
We are very excited and hope so it will come next year 2024 very soon. बस बाकी कुछ नहीं. Please, thank you.